Let's go!
Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're here in my room. So this is my room, my place. So I would like to thank all my subscribers, few subscribers out there. Thank you so much for watching my short videos. And please share my YouTube channel. Keep it simple with Tito Arnold's Vlog. So ayan po, as I said, for the past 3 months, it's almost 4 months now that we've been working. Our work is a night shift, it's a graveyard shift, it's 12 hours, sometimes 6 days or 7 days a week if you want to work like that. So, but for me, I'm good right now with 10 hours for 5 days. So far nakakapag-rest tayo ng konti at maraming pong salamat sa aking mga subscribers na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking YouTube channel. Keep it simple with Tito Arnold's Vlog. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat kay Paring Bong sa kanyang treat sa amin ngayon. Nag-dinner po kami sa napaka-sikat na Korean barbecue restaurant. So, sumisikat na po itong mga Korean barbecue na usually is Japanese barbecue. They are great in barbecuing fresh seafood, pork, beef, meat, whatever is that, vegetables or something like that, roots vegetables. But Korean are so popular right now. They are so good. The food are you can taste the food, the marination, the spiciness, especially all those side orders like those kimchi marinated cabbage or something like that. All these condiments, the veggies condiments, or the pickled veggies condiments. So ayan ho, very simple. As my YouTube channel, keep it simple. So yan po, na-hit na naman po ng Korean barbecue ang aking palat, ang aking taste bud. Gumising na naman. So ayan po, kung nandito po kayo sa Edmonton, Alberta, meron po dito, search nyo lang po ang Korean, Ace Barbecue Korean cuisine. So ayan po, they are unlimited meat to grill, so, and seafood. So it depends what you want. So but if you order it, finish it, eat all, don't waste, because God is the blessing of all those things that we really enjoy in our lives. So ayan po, maraming pong salamat. Salamat kay Pari Bong. Pagpunta mo sa Fort Mac, we will pray for you, and thank you that we have a good family and family relations. So number one po talaga yan sa isang family na nagkakaisa. Ang masasabi ko lang po, it is priceless. God bless you, and wishing you all the best in life. You have a good wealth and a good health. So ayan, pagpunta mo sa Fort Mac, ay sana nawa ay makarating din kami sa iyong lugar para makita namin ang Fort Mac. Lalong-lalo na ako, hindi pa ako napupunta dyan sa Fort Mac, Alberta. So dyan sa Middle East is last, like North American oil industry dyan po sa Fort Mac. So ayan ho, as I said in my past all videos, keep safe, keep healthy, and keep on moving, because moving is power. You can do a lot of things. You can a lot. You can spend time with your family, especially that we ate together, we dined together, and you celebrate your anniversary, your birthday, your whatever is that thing that you celebrate. You celebrate your life and a newborn baby. Ayan po, keep on moving because moving is power. Don't sit in that corner and be miserable. So just move on. Moving forward is a positive thing to do. And marami po akong kaibigan na nandyan na nawala ng pag-asa pero lumalaban. Patuloy po silang lumalaban. They keep on moving. So, God bless po sa inyong lahat. Sa muli, sa aking susunod na vlog. Ito po, panoorin niyo po ang aking short videos as tungkol sa family gathering and food. So, God bless po. So, good evening po sa inyong lahat. To everyone, good evening. As we dine in a Korean barbecue too, and grill as we spend together our time as one family. Ayan po si Paring Bong at ang kanyang buong pamilya. Isa na rin po ako na member ng kanyang pamilya. Galing po siya ng Pork Mac. Bumisita sa amin dito sa Edmonton. At meron po kaming time na nagka-get together at yan naman po ang traditional ng mga Pilipinos. Ang value po natin ay ang mga kapamilya po natin, ang mga totoong kapamilya, kaibigan, loved ones, and special ones. So whatever, it's our relationship. So ayan po. At nag-treat po si Paring Bong. Thank you so much sa napaka generosity mong pag-treat sa amin, sponsor sa amin at sa buong pamilya mo. Napakabait mo, pare ko kong Bong. Nawa ay pati ka pang i-bless ng ating Panginoon na bigyan ng good health and good wealth. So maraming salamat at we catch up, we talk about every single details of our lives in works and in every aspect of life. So ayan, buong pamilya mo ay nag-i-enjoy sa iyong sponsorship sa amin. Nawa ay laging madalas ito. No, joke lang ito. Salamat pare ko at ako'y na-include sa inyong pamilya. At hindi ko naisip na nag-iisa ako dito sa Edmonton. Ay patuloy na in-include nyo ako na as a family as my Tito Arnold's Vlog videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep it simple with Tito Arnold's Vlog. God bless to all. Keep it safe, keep it healthy, and keep on moving. Because moving is power. If you have power like this, can spend together with your family, celebrate your birthday, your anniversary, and special occasion like this. As catching up all the loose time and paying all our debt to our families sa time na wala para sa matagal na pagkakahiwa-hiwalay. Pero ayan po, napakasaya po namin dito. Lalo na si Paring Bong, ayan, si Paring Bong kumakay. Napakasaya niya. Maraming salamat Paring Bong sa masarap na pagkain ito ng barbecue to Korean. Ayan po, nag-enjoy po si Jeff dyan at ako nga po ang naging winner dyan. Akong kahuli ang natapos na kumain. Salamat muli Paring Bong sa pagbalik mo sa Pork Mac. God bless.
Let's go!
Hindi natin may iuwi yung robot po.
know my something's alive in a bright dust love day. Your love surrounds me every single way. Forever faithful, forever true.
There you
Your
go.
love endures, it's always new. In every season, in every storm, you're my anchor.
Andito yung car. Ayun.
It's deep and wide.
Be proud of me.
I must climb. Your hand guides me with every step of time. Forever faithful, forever true. Your love endures, it's always new. In every season, in every storm, you're my anchor, you're my song.
Jasso. Jasso. What are you doing? Okay, making for your birthday? Yeah, good girl. How old are you now? It's your birthday.
How old are you? Right now, how old are you?
7.
And then you're gonna turn
8, yes.